What's up guys, welcome to another video. My name is Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how much I made on my YouTube channel for 2022. Alright, so the top 5 videos on our channel is customers I hate and love to work with. We got 12,000 views, that was a year ago. Then we have my biggest detailing mistakes, 9.4k views 10 months ago. Then we have our what I use to paint correct, 9.1k views. And we have our detailing car super early video, 8.6k views. And my detailing packages and prices a year ago, 8.3k views. So those are the top 5 viewed videos on our channel. And then when we go to our analytics on our YouTube studio and we check out our top 5 highest earning videos, would be my biggest beginner detailing mistakes, which I believe was our second highest viewed video. And then we have customers couldn't believe my prices as second. How I do my maintenance detail step by step is third. Detailing ceramic coated Hellcat is fourth, and how I've improved my detailing speed is fifth. So what this tells us is that it doesn't necessarily mean that your highest viewed video will get paid the most. It has a lot of variables. There's a lot of variables to do with how you get paid, but the biggest one is ads. So some videos may have some higher paying ads, and what I think it really comes down to is the view time, the duration of how long these videos were viewed. So our highest paying video is this one up top. We got $81.93. Then we have $69.69, nice. Then we have $65.41 and $60.46 and $53.28. So the most we ever made from one video is $81.93, almost $100. There's still all these other videos that we got paid for. So it ranges, it really depends. Our top 50 is our lowest, or this is just showing our 50 videos, up to 50 videos, but we have more than 50 videos. But our last video right here at 50 is Meet My New Detailing Employee. We have $18.63. So here is a breakdown of our channel on our earnings for the monthly earnings. So in January we did really good, $204.48. February was also a great month for YouTube. We got $260.39. I think March may have been our best month at $290.82. Then we have April, $230.92. Then we have May with $168.59. June, $171. July, $183. It kind of started decreasing a little bit after April. We went to August, $103. And September, we got $177. October was probably one of the worst months at $70.78. November, $110. December, $82. And January for this year, 3 days, $2.66. So not too bad. We're at January 3rd right now, and we're almost at $1 per day. So not too bad. Hoping that for January, for 2023, our goals would be to times 5 this at least. So times 5 would be 10K of this for 2023. So that's our goal, our minimum that we're trying to hit for YouTube. And we are at 280,000 monetized playbacks, which is like views. So we're gonna try to times 5 that as well, which would be about 1.2 mil, or possibly higher than that. So here I pulled up our Amazon Associates page, and we've made a total of $173.75 for the whole year of 2022, starting January 22 all the way to December 22. We got about 15,500 people to click on our links, and we got 180 people that ordered and 171 shipped packages. So pretty good, not too bad. As always, I want to times 5 or times 10 this number. So every year we're just gonna try to keep getting better. And our best month for Amazon Associates is March with $35.01. Now again, with this is just like when you guys go on our bio and click on products that we use or recommend and you buy it through there, it doesn't charge you anything extra, but it does help us get a little bit of money. Now for Instagram, we got paid for Reels So 2022, we got 102 with 21, 102, 101, 100, 108, 90, and 10. So it's like a monthly type of thing. We're gonna add it up right now and throw it on the calculator to add up everything from Amazon, YouTube, and Instagram. From Instagram, we just started getting paid, but Instagram's pretty cool because it's a lot less work than YouTube, and we're making a consistent amount of over 100. Like, it's not too hard to get over $100. Once you hit 100, it gets more difficult to make any more money with Instagram. The only bad part with Instagram is there is a limit, so the most you can make is $1,200 a month. Let me know in the comments below if there's any type of topics or certain ideas you guys have that you guys want me to make a video about. So between all three accounts for Tony's Professional Touch, on YouTube, Instagram, and Amazon affiliates or associates, we made $2,847 with 35 cents. Not too bad. We're gonna divide that by 12 to get an average of the monthly. So we made about $237 with 27 cents. That's pretty decent. It basically covers our insurance for the business. So, you know, it's a little bit extra help of money just to cover an expense. It's nothing crazy, but we do want to times 5 or times 10 this. At least by minimum, by 2023, I want to times 5 this. But realistically, times 10 would be amazing. So we'll see what we can do. Now, a couple things I intend to do to grow my channel is produce higher quality content, not necessarily more. I'm gonna try to produce about the same amount as I was last year, which would be roughly about 2 videos a week. So that'd be 8 videos a month. We might bump it up a little bit more, it depends. But the videos I'll be bringing out are gonna be more, I guess, first person point of view. There's gonna be a few different styles that I'll be doing. Like, I have a GoPro, so I'll be able to show you guys first person point of view, and then kind of like a vlog style. Like, I can record my own videos, so it'll be a bit different and won't really necessarily have a person talking behind the camera every time. So I'll switch it up a bit, keep viewers entertained, and probably go live. I do want to go live a couple times here on YouTube and Instagram, and get to know more people that are subscribers and enjoy the content that I produce, and benefit from everything that I post here online. All right, so that's about it. That is how much I made in 2022 with my YouTube channel and all the other channels like Instagram and Amazon affiliates. If you guys enjoyed this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.